Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. So I welcome you all today in my new video. Now we have seen about the pathologic conditions that is PCOS and all about it. Now we will see about physical activity and exercise because this also plays an important role with diet. So let's go. First of all, what is physical activity? Physical activity is any bodily movement, okay, any bodily movement performed by skeletal muscles, that is our muscles, which results in energy expenditure. Okay, so any bodily movement, कौन सी भी बॉडीली मूवमेंट हो, कोई भी हो, any bodily movement which is performed by muscles of the body and which results in calorie expenditure or energy expenditure, जहाँ तुम्हारी कैलोरीज बर्न हो रही है, is physical activity. Now, here comes a subset called as exercise. So, what is exercise? Exercise is a planned, structured, and repetitive physical activity which has a final outcome or an intermediate outcome. Outcome क्या होगा? To be lean, to lose weight या to gain weight. So this is the major difference of physical activity and an exercise. Now, why is this important? Because daily, morning, or evening, any time which you prefer, doing a 30 to 45 minutes of exercise makes you physically fit and which results in mentally fit, mentally active, socialize अच्छा होता है, सोशलाइजेशन अच्छा होता है लोगों के साथ, ओके, एंड यू बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर सेल्फ. ओके, ऑल्सो द पैथोलॉजिक कंडीशंस जो भी रहती है वो कुछ नहीं होगा. द डिजीज विल स्टे अवे फ्रॉम यू इफ यू आर फिजिकली एक्टिव, इफ यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग डेली. सो the American Medicine Association of Medicine told that daily 30 minutes of some exercise, okay, for a week, 5 days or more than that, should be done. They have recommended this. The CDC recommended that at least 30 to 60 minutes per day for a week is must to exercise. And Indian Ministry and WHO has recommended that 45 minutes daily should be done exercise or 150 minutes per week. So these are all the guidelines mentioned on physical activity through these organization, by these organizations, and so we have to follow this. Though physical activity constitutes only 20%, still this 20% is most important to do reverse back from any metabolic disease. Okay, so the ratio is 80 is to 20, as I always say. 80 is the diet or the lifestyle and 20 is the physical activity. So physical activity, though it is less, you have to follow it regularly. So let me tell you about myself. That is, daily for at least 30 minutes and 45 minutes I just do stretching and some kind of yoga. That's it. So 30 minutes of vigorous or high intensity yoga and some stretching, and then last 10 minutes to get the toxins out of your body, to get the sweat out of your body, just sit and meditate. That's it. Done for your physical activity for a day, and which is rather sufficient. And further remaining all those 23 hours, okay, you have to focus on your diet. So 1 hour give it to physical activity, half to 1 hour, okay, and then remaining 23 hours follow a good diet, eat nutritious food, and this is all will give you a result of good fit body, good fit mind, and also a healthy and nutritious food intake will lead to a good lifestyle. So friends, please do not forget to exercise daily. Exercise plays an important role with diet. These two are in combination. If done, then you can achieve your dream body goals or you can achieve a good lifestyle. So yes, remember this. And also the physical activity can be anything. It can be gym workouts, it can be a simple yoga, and anything like that. So it can be just anything which you can prefer, which you can do at your best level in your home, because now we can't go outside and do any workouts. So this is most important to do in your home. Simple exercises, simple stretching, simple abs. Okay, these are the many kind of exercises you will find online on the internet, and you can do it in your homes. So friends, exercise is most important, and please don't neglect physical activity, don't neglect exercise and just go on dieting, because if you diet and do not exercise, you will fall sick. Okay, then there will be like hypoglycemia, low sugar, and all those stuff will come according to it. So exercise भी करो, और उसके बाद eat healthy also, and इसका combination मिला के you will see the results. So this is all about exercise. Do tell me how the video is. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section below, and do follow my Instagram for more health updates. And thank you for today.